Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I will explore a small town. Its name is Basira, near the highway. We know it because of Muzaffargarh. Let's go to this town with a good mood. Basira is also the union of Muzaffargarh. We are in the Basira town. Before I start my journey, I refill the petrol in my bike. The people are very simple in this area. In Punjab, 50% people live in rural areas. They don't like the fast life of the city. As you can see, everything is available in this area so that the people here don't have to go to the other areas and the big cities. I feel great. I am having fun and the people here are very friendly. taking you to this small bazaar. The small and narrow streets are full of noise. Some people are selling their goods outside the store, and they have turned them into a small shop. Car cannot enter the narrow streets of this bazaar. It is difficult to walk when there is a lot of rush, as in our big cities. You can see that the work of sewing cloths and the zari cloths is also available. Now we are at the rural health center in Basira. People from the area are treated here. Free treatment and the medicine are provided. Now we are at Danish Public School. It's semi-government school. Here, poor and hard-working students for education in this school. This school was built by Shahbaz Sharif, all in Pakistan. I hope you like today my vlog. Allah Hafiz.